I would say discipline. Diabetes is discipline. You have to incorporate some discipline in your life to change your lifestyle.
Right.
Right.
Hello, everybody. I'm Nishita Bajaj, and I welcome you to episode 1, season 2 of How to Manage Diabetes. When you hear diabetes, does the first thing that comes to your mind is, now I have to stop eating sweets, I have to cut down on my sugar. But have we ever thought, is there any other way to manage diabetes, especially when it comes to your food and your nutrition? क्या हम इसके अलावा और कुछ कर सकते हैं? Is there anything beyond just stop eating sugars? आज यही सब डिस्कस करने के लिए we have Rekha Prabhu, Head of Nutrition and Metabolic Health at Bridge Health with us. Welcome, Rekha. Rekha has a master's in food science and nutrition from the University of Mysore, with over 20 years of experience as a clinical dietitian and with about 10 years plus in the field of diabetes. We're going to have a lot of conversation and question Rekha about हम diabetes को और कैसे better manage कर सकते हैं with our daily food habits, changes in our food, etc. And apart from all this, Rekha is also a very interesting person. She's an absolute wonderful cook. I've eaten a lot of her food and she's great. She's also very passionate about cycling, trekking. Rekha also loves doing yoga. So it's going to be very, very exciting and very interesting. But before we start, Rekha, I would like to ask you, how would you describe diabetes? If you had to pick one word to describe diabetes, what would it be?
Okay, thanks Nishita for having me here. Very interesting question.
Probably I would say discipline. Diabetes is discipline.
Okay.
You know, many people generally, what happens, they don't accept the fact that yes, at this age I've got diabetes, because we see more younger population having diabetes right now. So what I feel is, once the body is indicating that something is wrong, which is connected to lifestyle, that means you have to incorporate some discipline in your life to change your lifestyle.
Right.
It might be connected to very few things, and you might see that, there is this particular thing, like maybe my sleep is not good. I'm scrolling every night for hours together. I'm not sleeping well.
Right.
So if you correct that, you would see some changes in your levels of sugars. Right? You cannot pinpoint just one thing that this is the problem.
Right.
There might be a couple of problems together, which if it's corrected,
we can manage diabetes better.
Get managed.
So I think that's very interesting. It's a very interesting take. Diabetes is equal to discipline. And I think we're talking about type 2 diabetes, particularly here.
Yes, type 2. Because that's more connected to lifestyle.
But discipline need not always be serious, right? It can be a lot of fun. It can be very easy for you to manage your diabetes in a fun way.
Absolutely.
Talking about fun, I have something very interesting for Rekha. Do you remember the Natu Natu song from the movie RRR?
Of course. Oscars.
Right, it won the Oscars. So we have our own version of RRR today. It's the rapid reply round. I'm going to ask you some very quick questions and you tell me the first word that comes to your mind.
Okay. Interesting. Okay.
Let's start.
Yes.
The first question is, best fruit choice for diabetes?
Guava.
Okay. Best Indian grain for diabetes-friendly meals?
Millets.
Okay. Most effective cooking oil?
Oil can be region-wise, so quantity matters a lot.
Okay. Best natural sweetener alternative?
Stevia.
Okay. Your go-to hydration drink for diabetes?
Water.
Okay. Just plain water?
Yes.
Wow.
Plain water.
One herb that helps with diabetes?
Methi.
Okay. One food to completely avoid?
Sugar.
Of course, sugar. Best way to control cravings?
Meditation.
That's interesting. But if I had to eat something to control my cravings,
Maybe nuts and seeds.
okay. Best nut for blood sugar control.
Almonds.
Okay. And the last one, a good snack option.
Maybe a makhana veggie bhel.
Now the dietitian in you is talking, right? The
Yeah.
makhana veggie bhel. Got it. That was a lot of fun and a lot of information, Rekha. Let's deep dive and understand more about diet and diabetes. So I've been hearing a lot about eating food in order, sequence mein khana chahiye. Tell me more about this.
If you look at our meal plates, like a very simple example would be shadi ka khana.
Okay.
What would you see the first thing when you start a meal? In a buffet or in a banana leaf traditional meal?
Okay, shadi ke khane mein you start with achar, the salads.
Correct.
Then the
salads.
main course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
correct.
That's
Dal rice or
Right,
pulao
right,
and
right.
paneer or something like that. So the meal is always started with vegetables.
Okay.
Right? It can be a small piece of achar. Achar is good because it is fermented and
Right.
our gut microbiome is healthier with a little bit of fermented.
Fermented.
It should not
Right.
go beyond half a teaspoon, right? Then comes the salad part. And why salad? Because salads are very rich in fiber, soluble and insoluble fiber. What happens when you start your meal with fiber is it creates a mesh in your stomach, right? After that, you eat protein because the protein also creates a barrier to the carbohydrate, which is the last component of your meal. Carbohydrate releases into sugars, which is absorbed by the blood. So once before carbohydrate, you eat salads and protein, your release of sugars is delayed.
slowed down.
Right. So you are creating a barrier for the sugars to raise in your blood.
Correct.
Okay.
Got
So
it.
that's why when you start a meal, start always with a sabzi, salad, or a
Right.
vegetable soup.
Okay.
Then go to the protein base. It can be eggs, it can be rajma, it can be tofu, and then go to chapati or probably millet or quinoa, whatever grain
Got
you
it.
want to
Got it.
have. Yeah.
तो but इसमें तो मेरा favorite part तो आया ही नहीं. Like when do we eat the desserts or the mithai
हाँ.
in the sequence?
Huh. So mithai can be eaten,
Okay.
but it should be occasional.
Right.
It should not be a daily affair.
Right.
It can be eaten after the meal.
After the
In the smallest portion.
Right.
Like अगर आपके पास एक piece of pastry आया तो 5 लोग मिलके खा सकते हैं.
Oh, that is a difficult thing to do, but we will try.
Yes.
And so now that we're talking about meal sequencing and
Yeah.
किस order में खाना है,
हाँ.
can you give us a quick meal plan for people with diabetes? Daily meal plan जैसे.
This is the most common question asked by
Right.
everybody. हाँ, मुझे डायबिटीज है, मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए और दिन का क्या कैसे मील होना
How do
चाहिए?
you divide
Yes.
it?
Yes. So the meal plate can be seen as a pie chart, right? It's a round plate.
Right.
Make the plate half.
Okay.
50% up, 50% down. So 50% which is up can be full of vegetables.
That's the first thing we eat.
Yes. That
Okay.
doesn't mean that you have to eat raw vegetable salads every time, right? You can start with some pieces of raw vegetables.
Okay.
You can have 1 or 2 sabzis, which is
Right.
cooked, or you can have a big bowl of soup,
Soup.
right?
Right.
And then go to the other half of the meal. What should your other half plate
Look like, yeah.
look like is make again a half of it. So 1/4 of the plate.
तो आधा का और आधा.
Or
Okay.
आधा. So 1/4 or 25% of
Right.
your plate should be a protein based.
Okay.
राइट प्रोटीन आप किसको कहते हैं? प्रोटीन राजमा में होता है,
Right.
चने में होता है,
दाल,
देन दाल्स में होता है, एंड देन यू हैव टोफू, पनीर,
सांबर,
and you have fish, chicken, and eggs in animal
In the-
sources, right? And
so in the fish and chicken, we are talking about the lean.
yeah,
meat.
lean meat.
Okay,
And
okay.
the preparation, the cooking methodology also should be low on oil.
Or low.
I don't want the kebabs and the deep fried
Correct.
cutlets and all
Correct.
that.
Right.
It can be boiled, braised, tandoored,
Right.
marinated and just tawa
Right.
fried. All.
Okay.
Yeah. The last portion, the 1/4 portion, can be grains,
Okay.
which is like maybe a fulka or a little portion of rice or a little bit of millets. It can be even some starchy vegetables. Like
Okay.
in Kerala, you use kappa, that is the tapioca,
Right.
right? And that can be swapped with rice.
Okay.
And in Bengal, you have potatoes, boiled potatoes, right? You can swap it with rice as well,
Right. Correct.
right? So that's how you make your plate look like.
And इसमें हम डेयरी या कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं?
Bilkul.
Okay.
So a portion of chaach or dahi can be
Right.
added to your meals.
Okay.
So, but these meals should be there for breakfast, for lunch, and dinner.
So breakfast में तो we will not prefer eating इतना heavy
Vegetables.
food या a lot of vegetables. Then
Yeah.
how does somebody who has diabetes plan the breakfast?
So अगर आप साउथ से हो तो I would say डोसे में भी vegetables मिलाइए, डोसे बैटर में.
Correct.
अगर आप नॉर्थ में हो तो पराठे बनते हैं तो पराठे में lots of vegetables. And you can even add some protein in your parathas so that it becomes a wholesome one-pot meal, right?
Right. अब बहुत खाना तो हो गया है, but let's talk about fasting. So fasting is a very trending topic, especially intermittent fasting. But tell me, Rekha, can people with diabetes fast?
It's a very interesting question, Nishita. People with diabetes can fast if they are not on medications
Okay.
or insulin.
Okay.
People with medications or who are taking insulin may have to actually go to their doctors and ask whether they can fast, because the doctors may titrate their medications or insulin during the fast time.
Right.
But India में क्या होता है? Fasting यानी साबुदाना, आलू और fruits, मेवा,
Meva, right.
dry fruits, all these things would be there in fasting. Fasting generally means to be in a state of not eating for a long period of time.
Got it.
It can be 8 hours, it can be 10 hours, it can be 12 hours, it can be 24 or 36 hours.
Oh wow.
People do fasting
Okay.
with water, people do fasting without water.
Water,
Nirjal उपवास जिसे बोलते हैं हम.
Right.
ठीक है? So fasting is actually not trending just now. It has been a tradition in almost all the religions,
Right.
and it doesn't have only corrections of sugar levels. It has the importance of fasting is that you're cognitively more alert after fasting for a certain amount of time.
Got it.
Your digestive system can actually recuperate and be better after
Right.
fasting. Your sleep also becomes better.
Right.
Or there are many other positive signs. People who have issues with cancer have been into fasted states, or the doctors or functional medical practitioners keep them into fasted state so that the cells in the body are actually eating up the cancer cells. The healthy cells eat up the cancer cells. So
Got it.
fasting has been there in the system from a long, long time, and people with diabetes who don't take medications can fast. Who take medications and insulin
Have to
should
check with their doctor.
check with the doctor. Yes.
Okay. तो इस हिसाब से तो मैं इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग 12 घंटा वाला तो रोज़ ही कर लेती हूँ ऑलमोस्ट, राइट. 8 PM डिनर, 8 AM ब्रेकफास्ट. I thought, there were a lot of myths around intermittent fasting, but chalo, that is cleared now. But talking about myths, there are a lot more myths that people talk about or they know, especially when it comes to diet and diabetes. So if you had to pick top 3
Yeah.
for our audience, तो वो कौन से myths होंगे?
Most common is मैं चाय में चीनी नहीं लेता हूँ. I don't use sugar in my tea, but I use jaggery. So
Right.
we have to understand that sugar and jaggery come from the same source. It comes from sugar cane, right? One is processed, one is a little unprocessed, but that doesn't mean it cannot raise sugars. It is going to raise sugars the same way as the processed sugar
Right.
is doing it. Yeah. So second myth, I would tell you that I don't have anybody in my family who has diabetes.
Diabetes.
How did I get it?
Right.
Why should I get it? I don't have acceptance, right? That's a major issue right now. There is a very nice quote that diabetes doesn't run in my family, but I got diabetes because nobody runs in my family.
Right.
Right? So lifestyle issue or metabolic diseases are diabetes, BP and
Right.
gout, and these things are diseases which is because of your lifestyle.
Correct.
So as soon as you start correcting it, these can actually go into remission.
Correct.
So it's not genetically dependent. If your lifestyle
The
is
right
wrong,
lifestyle.
you can get diabetes. Even a young
Correct.
person, like a 20-year-old or a 25-year-old,
Can be diagnosed with
We are
diabetes,
seeing
yeah.
teenagers with diabetes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think your right lifestyle, eating right, like we've been discussing all throughout, is very, very important.
Yes.
तो एंड ऑल्सो ईटिंग के बारे में वापस से वेयर कमिंग बैक टू दैट, मेरी दादी हमेशा बोलती थी कि करेला खाने से डायबिटीज़ ठीक हो जाएगा, तुम्हारी शुगर कम हो जाएगी, तो इसका क्या चक्कर है?
करेला बहुत अच्छा वेजिटेबल है.
Right.
It's a beautiful vegetable.
Right.
Many people love it. Many people are really away from
Away
it.
from it,
It does help. But अगर आप करेला खा के सोच रहे हो कि my diabetes will just vanish, that's not going to happen.
Right.
What happens is you have to understand your carbohydrate portion should not be too much.
Too much,
अगर
yeah.
आप करेले के साथ heap of rice ले रहे हो या
तो उसका
4
कोई-
या 5 रोटियां ले रहे हो
तो
उसका
कोई फायदा
कोई
नहीं।
फायदा नहीं रहता.
राइट.
Right? So yeah.
तो करेला खाने से डायबिटीज़ नहीं ठीक होगा, बट आपको और भी चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी टुगेदर टू ट्रीट diabetes as a whole. Thank you so much, Rekha, for these beautiful insights.
My pleasure.
We had a lot of fun, isn't it? Any last parting tip for our audience?
Of course. So my parting tip would be to eat right, move more, sleep well, and top of the above is monitor. Get yourself checked because there is hope, there is light, the end of the tunnel. You can come back, you can lead a very healthy life with diabetes or without it.
Right. If you have any questions for Rekha or how to manage your diet with diabetes, please put them in the comment box and our experts will get back to you. Follow us for more such content. We have another episode coming very soon, and this time we will be talking about how to manage diabetes along with our fitness expert. It's going to be a very interesting one. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. So please follow us and we'll see you soon. Signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye.